Hi, I'm just going to tell you about the Tableau demo. So, Tableau, we all know about Tableau. That Tableau is in a data visualization tool, and it's been emerging in the markets today. And we have higher scope of learning Tableau. So, Tableau have both the desktop as well as the server version. So Tableau have many versions, and the recent version that is being released by Tableau is Tableau 10. So we already have seen so much concepts in Tableau 9. Now they have released the Tableau 10. So we are going to see like what all the new concepts that is being introduced in the Tableau 10. So this is an interface. Whatever I'm showing is a Tableau 10. You can just see the version Tableau 10.1.1 Tableau Desktop Professional Edition, and they have introduced many concepts with respect to the Tableau 10 features, like which is they have actually improved their visualizations, and they have made some tasks more easier, so that we can just see a simple demo like about the features that have been introduced from the Tableau 10 onwards. So in Tableau 10, the first foremost thing they have introduced, based on certain features like based on analytics, they have introduced some concepts like clustering and highlighter, creating custom territories, and in bar charts they have introduced some new concepts, and also the maps we have creates, right? So map reports have been actually advanced. Next, with respect to data, they have introduced the cross database joins, so that you can use two data sources, and you can actually have join these two data sources with respect to a filter or any other functionalities, so that we can filter across the different data sources. And also they have introduced some more data source options. If you click here, you could see they have introduced some more data source options. So QuickBook Online, Google Sheets, those things, SAP HANA, and you could see actually you can compare between your Tableau 9 version and Tableau 10. Most of the data sources have been introduced newly in Tableau 10. And we can also connect directly to the Google Sheets, I told you, right? So we can connect directly to the Google Sheets in Tableau 10, and the QuickBook Online, so that we can connect directly to the QuickBook Online. We can also if you want to save some data sources as your favorite, that is possible in Tableau 10, which is not possible in the earlier versions. So like that, with respect to the data sources also, they have introduced some more concept. Then the design, so they have introduced more fonts, the look and feel, so also the formatting options in the workbook, and they have introduced with respect to color palettes, more color palettes, and new typeface designed for the data. So with respect to design, they have introduced these concepts. And with respect to mobile, using the Tableau visualization in the mobile, actually they have used some design, they have introduced a concept called device specific dashboard, so that you are able to see your dashboards based on the specified devices. With respect to web, they have introduced web authoring, and we can develop dashboards from the scratch on the web using Tableau 10. Also, we can publish workbooks in the Tableau 10 through web, and the revision history, is it possible to see the revision history in Tableau 10. And with respect to the services, they have introduced some new enterprise features, and if in case with respect to if there is failure in the extract, you would be getting an email alert. This feature is not available in the earlier versions. So like that, Tableau have introduced so many concepts with respect to Tableau 10. Just we will see a quick overview. I'm just going to connect to the sample Superstore data source, which is readily available with your Tableau software. So let me explain the first concept. So you could see that The first concept, clustering. So I'm just going to drag and drop the sum of profit, sum of sales, and the category here. So let me take some of the data which I have. Maybe so customer name. I've just dragged and dropped a customer name for sum of profit and sum of sales. Now, in case if I want to group it based on my sum of like high profit, high sales, low profit, low sales, then in previous version I just need to select according to the, or I have to introduce some calculated concepts to calculate the high profit and sales. Then I have to select and actually I have to group it and rename it. But here in Tableau 10 they have introduced a concept called clustering. So you could just go to your analytics tab and you would be seeing the clustering here. Just drag and drop the clustering over here and it would create two variables based on the sum of profit and sales which we have used here, and it have created the two clusters. So you could see here the two clusters have been created, one with high profit and sales and one with low profit and sales. In case if you are not sure how the clusters have been created, just you can right click on it and give describe clusters so that you can see here. So based on the sum of profit and sales, they have just created the cluster 1 with low profit and sales and cluster 2 with the high profit and sales. So you can just use this cluster to a filter, else you can just drag and drop this cluster into your data dimensions to create as a new group. So you can just rename it based on profit, sales cluster, so that you would be able to use this dimension in your other worksheets which you are creating in the same worksheet, other sheets which you are creating in the same worksheet. So this is the concept of clustering. And then they have introduced the concept of creating the custom territories. As I said, just you have to let me create a field map. So here if you want to group it, just create custom territories, just select it and just group it based on country or state, and you can just rename it this group. So now I have created the four groups. So just you can rename it like east based on the regions or something, and then you can just show your sum of profit onto the label and remove state. So like this you can create the custom territories. This is one method. So the another method, if you want to create custom territories, just drag and drop the region over here, so all automatically the custom territories would be taken care, and then you would be able to create your new dashboard. So here you could see that this is what I said, device preview. So this device preview is available only in your Tableau 10, so that we have like various devices and also the model devices, if in case phone, which phone, and like that you have to select your device, which device you are selecting, default, desktop or tablet or phone, again the default. So based on the device specific, this is how you can use. And as I said, cross data source, you can just create your use two data sources and create your worksheets, and when you're creating the dashboards, actually you can use a filter across the two data sources. So with respect to the fonts, as I said, uh, so they have introduced more number of fonts, and also the color palettes. You could actually see here the color palettes. They have introduced more number of color palettes compared to, if you see comparing with your Tableau 9, you could see like also in the size. So when you are using two continuous measures in your rows and columns, so in the size actually we have like this is just adjusting the size according to your slider. But in case when I'm using two measures, continuous measures, then I would be getting this option called fixed and manual, so that based on the fixed size or manual size I would be able to adjust my legends. And also we have something called highlighter. In case if I want to just create a filter, show highlighter, so that if I click on something, see it's been highlighted. So highlighter option is also be introduced only in the Tableau 10. Then as I said, we have more number of data sources. So you could see here we have like as I said, you can have Google Sheets. You can directly connect to your Google Sheets, QuickBooks, and also in case if your extract fails, we have a send email alert here, and device specific, and the for like you have more number of formatting options, and the font also, you have more number of font options. So they have introduced, and revision history, you would be able to maintain the revision history. Mobile specific management, we can share the visualization to other team members, like we have like subscribe other option too, so that you can subscribe others to your dashboard just on a click. The subscription email will be included in your name, so that user would be able to see your dashboards. So these are the new features that has been introduced. Like we have so many features that has been introduced with respect to the Tableau 10 compared to the previous version, that is Tableau 9. Thanks for watching the demo. Thank you.